Hey guys, so today's tutorial is going to be this two-tone cotton candy look. If you want to know how to get this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so first I'll be taking my Milani eyeshadow primer and applying that all over my lid. This is my go-to primer because it doesn't leave my eyelids dry. Next, I'll be delving into this NYX Ultimate Brights shadow palette, and I'm going to be taking this nice fuchsia color right here. With my sponge applicator. These are easier for me to pack on more than one color. I'm just going to apply that on the inner corner of my eyelid. And I'm just going to pack that color on a couple times just to get the desired pigment that I want. Now taking the blue shade right here, I'm just going to transition that onto the other side of the eyelid. And then with the makeup wipe, I'm just going to clear the edges that are harsh and all over the place. Now with my Morphe M433 blending brush, I'm just going to blend the two-tone colors so that they mix together well. Blending, blending, blending. Okay, so now I'm taking my Kiss 24-Hour Eye Define Liner in pastel blue, and I'm just going to put that on the water and lower lash lines. And then I'm going to take my must-have shader brush, and I'm just going to go back into the NYX palette. Sorry I didn't get a clip of this, but I'm taking the blue again and I'm just putting that a little bit on the waterline as well. And now with this e.l.f. smudge sponge, going back into the NYX palette and taking the fuchsia color, I'm just going to pop that in the inner tear duct, for that accent. And now with my Wet n Wild Photofocus Lash Primer, I love this stuff. It always leaves my lashes longer and rejuvenated after taking the mascara off from the previous day. Now taking my Peacock Flare Mascara. Everybody knows I love peacocks. Now taking my Bisou Beauty highlighting palette. I don't know why I always think of the word bison when I say that word, but I'm going to take this e.l.f. all over brush, and I'm just going to take the middle color here, and I'm just going to apply that on my cheekbones. On the other side. I just love this brush. It like applies everything so well. And now just also taking my Precious Mineral blush that feels very light on your skin, and I'm just applying that there as well. And going into my Essence Frosted Pink lip gloss, I'm just going to apply that to my lips to finish the look. And okay guys, so that pretty much completes this look. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!